Okay, so if you're like 12 to 13 weeks, your baby might be in the same spot that mine is, and it is like right below the stomach. But if you're earlier, like 8 to 9 weeks, it'll be more like right above the hairline. And I have the Sonoline B fetal doppler, and it looks like this. And it comes with a little bitty tube of ultrasound gel. And what you want to do is put a little bit. You don't really need a lot. And instead of taking the probe and like just going all over to try to find it, you have to like go in one specific spot and then turn it like this, because the baby is in like one little bitty spot, and if you don't get exactly on the baby, then you'll completely miss it and go over it, and you probably won't be able to find it. I know where my baby stays, so it's going to be pretty easy for me to find it, but I'll show you guys what it's supposed to sound like. It's really low right now, so I don't want to show you guys and you won't be able to hear it. That is what it's supposed to sound like. As you can tell, the baby keeps moving, and that noise is actually the baby like kicking or moving around in there. The heart is going to sound like, I guess you can say, heart is running or a helicopter. So that's how you know the difference. There's also arteries. There's also arteries that are in your stomach, and you might think that's the baby, but it's not actually the baby. And I'm going to show you what those sound like. So you hear that sound? It's like a whooshing sound. That is not the baby. That is your arteries. See, that is your arteries. That is not the baby. That's more like a whooshing sound, as with the baby, it's like a galloping sound or a helicopter sound. So it takes a lot of practice to find it, and especially if you're early, don't like get discouraged, because I found it the first day. I had my Doppler, but it took 4 tries, and then after that I couldn't find it for another 3 or 4 days. So really don't get so discouraged, just like, oh my god, I'm never going to find it, because you're going to find it eventually. You just have to practice and know what you're looking for and know what the baby sounds like. So I hope that this video helped you a lot. with trying to find the heartbeat, because I know whenever I tried finding it, all of these videos helped me, so I just wanted to put it out there and help you guys. Bye.